Hello and welcome to a My Mini Maths video tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at subtracting a mixed number or a fraction away from a whole number. This video can be used to help and support work on the arithmetic target question 26 also. Okay, so let's have a look at an example. So 4 subtract 2/3 as a fraction. Okay, and see what that equals at the end. So first of all, if I take the value of 4, so if I create this tower of blocks like so, and we can see that has a value of 4, and what we're going to do is, because we're taking away 2/3, we're going to break the top one, or separate the top one, into 3 equal parts. Okay, so we're going to subtract the 2/3 here, which there's 1/3 and 2/3, and we can clearly see what is left over. So here we have a 1/3 left over, and here we have 3 wholes left over to give us a final answer of 3 1/3. Okay, next we can have a look at subtracting a mixed number from a whole number. So let's take an example of 5 subtract 2 1/4. We'll see what the final outcome is. And a couple of options here. If I rewrite this using some splitting our mixed number up into colours, we can take it as 2 steps. So the first part, we can do 5 subtract 2 gives us 3. And then we could take away the 3/4 away from our 3. Okay, which become 2 1/4. We can also look at that in more detail like we did in the fraction question. So if I take 5 as a tower block here, okay, there's my 5. The first thing I'm going to do is subtract the 2 here, 1, 2, and we can see how it leaves us with a smaller tower of 3 blocks. Okay, and then like we did previously, we're going to subtract the quarter this time. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my top block, cut it into, or chop it up into 4 equal parts for quarters. Okay, and then I'm going to subtract a quarter here, which then leaves us with 3/4 here and 2 wholes here for a final answer of 2 3/4. That's everything for today. Thank you. Okay, so please subscribe to the My Mini Maths video tutorial YouTube channel for all the latest news, videos and updates, and I look forward to speaking to you again soon. Take care.